NTR.
Waves 1 to 3 feet. Watches are issued for potentially dangerous weather situations. Tests of these receivers are not. It is possible the test will be postponed. Again, this has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm and the EAS signal. We now return to the to 30 knots. Strongest northwestern portion. The coastal waters forecast. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will automatically activate to warn of impending weather hazards. The weekly test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm will be conducted by the National Weather Service on every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather is occurring or possible, the test will be postponed to the next weather day. The warning alarm is activated for weather warnings and special non-weather events that affect the following counties: San Luis Obispo, Santa Barbara, and Los Angeles counties and adjacent coastal waters. Weather radio station H31, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. The station is operated by the National Weather Service in Oxnard, California, and transmits from a tower on Cuesta Peak near San Luis Obispo. Low tide, -1.5. Built receivers will automatically activate to warn of impending weather hazards. The weekly test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm will normally be conducted by the National Weather Service on every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather is occurring or possible, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. The warning alarm is activated for weather warnings and selected watches, hazards, and special non-weather events that affect the following counties: San Luis Obispo, Santa Barbara, Ventura, and Los Angeles counties and adjacent coastal waters. Here is the latest weather synopsis.
This has been an actual emergency. Important information or instructions would have followed the